Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy on the Linux operating system. Let's get started. To set the proxy, you need to open a command prompt. In the system search, enter the terminal command. Let's take a free HTTP proxy as an example. Enter the proxy details in the following format. If you have a different protocol type, then you should change the HTTP after the export word. Depending on the required protocol, it could be HTTPS or SOCKS. Now you see the possible options on your screen. But if you have personal proxies, then you also need to input a username and password in the following format. Also, you can see the possible options for input. Restart the computer once the proxy details are entered. After the reboot, your operating system will work through a proxy. If you need to disable the proxy, then open the command prompt once again and enter the terminal command. And then enter unset http_proxy. The line may differ in the protocol type you set previously. Then reboot your computer for the command to take effect. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.